Rugged industrial control products, helping you take off across all industries. Intelligent forklift management. Warehouse labeling management. Intelligent golf course management. Clothing store advertising machine management. Fire safety management. Automotive inspection and diagnostic solutions. High-efficiency railway equipment inspection management. Information technology construction for transportation vehicles. Oilfield equipment inspection management. Forestry timber transportation management. Communication base station management. Air conditioning and ventilation equipment management. Paperless factory solutions. Furniture manufacturing production process management. Intelligent manufacturing product full process traceability management. Industrial digital mobile computer card solutions. FID-based intelligent warehouse management for beer manufacturing companies. Hardness measurement solutions. CPR mannequin solutions. Customization supported. Contact us anytime. Suzhou Thinkin.